properties of exponents. And bear with me as I'm becoming more proficient in using this. So in Algebra 1, we'll learn a few things about exponents. Mainly the first property is the property of the zero exponent that says that any base a to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Here are a couple of examples for this. For example, if I have the base 2 to the power of 0, my result is 1, according to this rule over here. If I have the base 2x raised to the power of 0, again, we see that the 2, because of the parentheses, we see that the 2 is affected by the 0, and so is the x. So our result becomes 1. Here's another example. It looks a little bit different. It's very similar to the one before, but here we made a slight change. Here we know that 2 is not affected by the 0, but x is. So the base affected is x. 2 is just kind of hanging out by its own. Remember, it's multiplying, but it's invisible. You don't really see it. But we know that the 2 is multiplying x. Because of that, the 2 stays unaffected and stays as a 2. X to the 0, according to my rule, becomes 1. So 2 times 1 is actually 2, and this is my answer. Okay? So here's the first property. We're going to move on to the next one shortly.